Okay, let's dive right into setting up Launcher Manager Mini today, step by step.
Tired of those default Firestick ads? Well, this explainer is exactly what you need.
This free tool lets you swap that default home screen for any custom launcher you want.
So, start at your Firestick home. Click the Settings gear, choose My Fire TV, then About.
Now quickly click Fire TV Stick 7 times to unlock developer options.
Back out, click Developer Options, and turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. Easy enough, right?
Head back to the home screen, click the search icon, and type in Downloader.
Select the app, click Get, wait for the install, and then just hit Open.
Click OK on any update pop-ups to get to the main interface.
In the search bar, punch in this exact downloader code, 730116, then click Go.
Scroll down, click Launcher Manager Mini under Utility Apps, and hit Install.
Tap Done, then click Delete twice. This removes the install file and frees up space.
Next up, head back to Fire TV's settings, open Developer Options, and turn on ADB debugging.
Now grab your smartphone and install the @ETV Tools app from your App Store.
Open ATV Tools and select your Fire Stick. Just make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi.
A pop-up will appear on your TV. Go ahead and click Allow to connect them.
Back on your phone, tap Shell from the bottom menu in the ATV Tools app. Carefully type the exact command you see here, and then tap the Execute icon. Now launch the Mini app on your Fire Stick. It should display as active.
Click Custom Launcher and just choose the app you want to launch automatically on boot. Finally, restart your Fire Stick. On reboot, it's going to load your selected app straight away.
VirusTotal confirms this app is completely safe, but it's always smart to use a VPN when sideloading.